Welcome to the world of Bindaas bargain, and I am here to present you a very exciting product which is a drilling kit for drilling into walls, wooden as well as metal surfaces. And this is the drill machine. This has got some important parts that I am going to explain to you. This is where the drill bits or the screw bit is fit in. This is a lever which controls the type of movement. Right now on the left hand side it is on the drilling movement, and this in addition to the drilling gives the hammer movement where it goes back and forth. This is normally used when we are trying to drill into a very hard surface like concrete and we want to push it in fast. And besides this is a lever which controls this side. It is the anti-clockwise movement, this side is the clockwise movement, and this is the trigger which starts the drill movement, and this is a knob which you can move clockwise to increase the speed and anti-clockwise to reduce the speed. And this is a button that when I am pressing the trigger and then I press this button, it sets the drilling into an automatic mode. Besides this is an accessory which we fit on the drill machine itself to give a better grip. So once it comes into its groove, then all you have to do is tighten the groove like this. And then you have a better grip on the machine. So we have 6 screw bits, 3 in minus and 3 in plus for tightening and loosening screws. Besides this, we have 9 drill bits, out of which these 3 are for drilling into metal surfaces, and they come in 3 sizes: 4 mm, 5 mm and 6 mm. And these 3 are for wooden surfaces, which come in 3 sizes again: 5, 7 and 8 mm. And these 3 are for brick or concrete walls, and they come in 7, 8 and 10 mm sizes. Now the reason why we have 3 different varieties of drill bits is they are for the different surfaces they are meant. If you notice that the wooden drill bit has got a very pointed edge for drilling fast into wooden surfaces. So let's try drilling into concrete first. So we'll take a concrete drill. As you can see, I am fitting it inside, and I will be making clockwise movement to tighten the drill. Now you may have to hold to the lower portion to give it the final squeeze before it tightens up. And that done, that should be enough. Now let's try drilling it into this concrete. Please make sure that the drill bit is not pointed at you or anybody at any point of time. And another precaution before we start drilling is when you're pushing the drill bit in and when you want to take it out, don't stop the drill machine and then take it out, because it can break the drill bit or it could damage the machine also. So we are going to first of all set a high speed because the concrete is pretty tough, and we're going to set the hammer movement so that it goes in, and we're going to give it the clockwise movement. So our next action is going to be inserting a screw into this wood, and for that we will be using a wood drill bit, and this is the slimmest one. It is 5 mm and it is used for first drilling a hole into the wood, and then we're going to tighten the screw in the same position. So we have to set it into the drill first, and once we tighten this, try to keep the drill in the center so that the positioning is better. Always check the clockwise or anti-clockwise movement of the drill before you go in for any drilling. You can switch on the light now. A little bit since I am drilling. Okay, so now we are going to attempt to show you how we can put together, children's furniture or very do-it-yourself kits. So because this table is already ready, we're going to first take out a screw and see how easily it can come out, and then put it back again. So first of all, looking at the nails, you can make out that you need this kind of a screw, which has a plus on it, and it has to go into this holder. Since it's magnetic, it will set itself in, but it's not tightened, and then we start fitting it into the position. Now once this is done, just take a quick check. This lever should be on the drilling option. If you're trying to take out the screw, then this should be anti-clockwise. This is the anti-clockwise, this is the clockwise. So we have it anti-clockwise. Reduce the speed to the minimum possible, and then let's switch on the button. Okay, so now we have to take out this screw, and we have to do it slowly. Just check whether it has come out. Maybe a little bit more. That's it. This is out. Done in a matter of few seconds. Now let's say we want to put it back, or we are trying to assemble this table. So we set it in its position. Take the drill machine and okay, I forgot to switch it to the clockwise. Now that I've switched it to clockwise, the driving motion will be inward, and there you are, done. So now that we have introduced this product to you, it's time for you to go to the website, go Bindaas, and go for it.